You know, I don't want people drinking good wine. I want them drinking great wine.
Entri nella stanza, sono tutti stesi, i loro cuori ti hanno visto e si sono arresi. Ti guardo nello specchio e penso, ma come fai?
We make wine for passion, and we are blessed to be able to do so. I drink more of these wines every day than anybody else on the planet. My name's Anthony Frevaletti, and I'm here at Montalpruno Winery in the beautiful rolling hills of Tuscany. Here in Montalpruno, it's just us. And our soil here is so unique and so rich in its complexities. We have an extraordinary microclimate because of our elevation, and then as our vineyards start to spread out and you see surrounding me mountains and forests that when wind comes through it can get trapped in that forest. We are high enough in elevation to where we get incredible sea breeze. So many people don't really tie the seaside into Tuscany because of our mountains and because it's forest and because you feel when you're away from the seaside like you're way out into the country. And as the crow flies, you know, we're 30 minutes from the seaside, and because of our elevation, we get these incredible breezes, and that salt and sea air, you know, will coat the grapes, and just another added complexity. We are bio-certified wines, meaning that all of the components in your wine are natural.